Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Suzuki SV650 with ABS brakes. This gorgeous V-twin just arrived with only 1,024 miles. Really cool design with the red and frame and wheels. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got ABS brakes. Really beautiful shape. Come on by. Make your naked twin dreams come true with this gorgeous Suzuki SV650. Price to sell at just $64.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.